hello my cute cuties. So இன்னைக்கு வந்து we are going to discuss some important derivations that you should study for your what is a CBSE physics exam. So இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் days மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. ஆனா இந்த கொஞ்சம் daysல smarta we are working hard, then we will be definitely get good score. So இப்போ வந்து what is the importance of this this derivations. In the derivations வந்து இப்போ நீங்க இந்த derivations if you are studying it, definitely pass mark confirm da, because we know usually வந்து derivations க்கு high weightage இருக்கு, அதனால வந்து pass marks for sure. Okay, so இன்னைக்கு வந்து I will introduce 15 derivations. அதுல வந்து 7 derivations na இப்போ நீங்க like last 20 years question paper பார்த்தா போதும், you can see that 10 times in the same question வந்து repeat இருக்கு. Okay, CBSE patternல வந்து கொஞ்சம் changes இருக்கு, derivations ஓட number it is already reduced. ஆனாலும் இந்த derivations you have to study. First வந்து Gauss's law applications da. Okay, Gauss's law application la வந்து the what to say, our plane sheet, wire as well as spherical shell, inside out everything is very important. Okay, அதுக்கப்புறம் current drift velocity relation, the current electricity chapter la வந்து important ஆனா like as I mentioned 20 years la வந்து 12 times minimum. Okay, minimum 12 times in the question கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கா. அதுக்கப்புறம் force between two long parallel current carrying conductors வந்து again highly frequent in the question கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கு. Magnetic field along a circular current carrying loop usually வந்து 5 mark weightage இருக்கு அந்த question அந்த derivation-க்கு. So you must have to study that. அதுக்கப்புறம் ray optics பார்க்கும்போது you can see refraction at the spherical surface as well as the Snell's law derivation. இதுதான் what I said, like the 7 important, the most important high frequent வந்திருக்கிற questions தான். அதுக்கப்புறம் when it comes to like it is also asked like around 7 to 10 times in the last 20 years la 7 to 10 times in the questions கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கா, இந்த derivations கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கா. அதுல வந்து first one வந்து the parallel plate capacitor la what to say partially filled and completely filled, and the derivation வந்து important da. Torque electric dipole oda torque வந்து important da. And of course we have recently we have done the internal resistance and equivalent EMF when we are connecting cells in parallel வந்து ரொம்ப important ஆனது. Magnetic field at the center of the circular current coil, mutual inductance of two long solenoids, அதவிட we can say the refractive index and angle of minimum deviation relation, அது கூட like 6 times கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கா. And next one வந்து magnifying power of compound microscope as well as astronomical telescope. In the questions the major like very important, I should say it is very important questions, important derivations. As I mentioned in the derivations ninga if you are studying these derivations safe mark da, you will be coming to the safe zone. Pass mark vanda in the 15 questions will give you the pass mark. Okay, if you are feeling like I can't study physics completely ana enakku vanda konjam I mean if I can just go for few chapters or let's few questions, then to I mean you are not expecting much marks, ana vanda you need pass marks அப்படினா you have to do all this 15 derivations. இது வந்து ரொம்ப important ஆன derivations தான். As I mentioned recent years like 20 years I mean in 20 years itself this was asked 10 plus times and the madri questions are, so you guys have to work really hard. So it's me Lerin Davis, your physics master teacher, and right now I want to say all the very best. Inneki I mean from now onwards we are going to start our preparation. First step vantu we will be going for the safe zone na pass mark. Till this time you didn't even studied, you didn't even touch physics. So inneki vantu we are going to start physics with the high weightage, also highly frequently asked questions. Adada in the 15 questions. So start your preparations now and we have to get good score in physics, and I'm coming with more and more videos. So adikaga channel subscribe panniko. Also regular we are taking classes as well. So guys, all the very best. Bye.